Hello everyone, welcome to Srivarna Sarees. Today I am going to show Uppada Pattu Sarees. Pure Uppada Pattu Sarees. I will show one by one. Pink color saree. Pink color saree. This is the body part. Pink color saree. This is the border part, gold color border part, pink color saree, not thick pink color, reddish shade pink color saree. Overall saree look. This is navy blue color pallu part, navy blue color pallu part, navy blue color pallu part, and this is the blouse, navy blue color blouse with border. Plain blouse with border part. This is the pallu part. Very reasonable price. Only 1299 rupees only. 1299 rupees only. Overall saree look. Saree number 1. Take a screenshot. Saree number 1. And the price 1299 rupees only. And the second Uppada Pattu sarees. Lemon yellow color saree. Lemon yellow color saree. This is the border part. This is the pallu part. Lemon yellow color saree with the blue color pallu part. And this is the blouse. Blue color blouse with the border part. Blue color pallu part, lemon yellow color saree. Overall saree look. Overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Saree number 2. Saree number 2. Take a screenshot. And the price 1299 rupees only. My WhatsApp number 9949248334. Saree number 2. Saree number 3. Pink color saree. Saree number 3. Pink color saree. Overall saree look. Uppada Pattu sarees. Overall saree look. Saree number 3. Gold color border part. Gold color border part. Overall saree look. Overall saree look. This is the blouse. Plain green color blouse. Plain green color blouse with the border part. Plain green color blouse with the border part. And this is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Green color pallu part. Saree number 3. Saree number 3. Take a screenshot. Saree number 3. Pink color saree. Saree number 3. Saree number 4. Thick yellow color saree. Thick yellow color saree. Overall saree look. Like parrot green color border part with gold color border combination. Parrot green color, thick yellow color saree. This is the pallu part. Blue color, royal blue color pallu part. And this is the blouse. Plain blouse. Plain blouse. This is the blouse, plain blouse. This is the pallu part. Thick yellow color saree. Saree number 4. Saree number 4. Take a screenshot. Thick yellow color saree. Saree number 4. Uppada Pattu sarees. Price 1299 rupees only. My WhatsApp number 9949248334. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. ఒక్కసారి నచ్చినా కూడా లైక్ చేయండి. కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయనేది కామెంట్ చేయండి. శారీ నెంబర్ 5 brinjal color saree, not brinjal, exact purple color saree. Overall saree look, self color border part with gold color border. Overall saree look, excellent color combinations andi. This is the pallu part, this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse, plain blouse. Overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Saree number 5. Take a screenshot. Saree number 6. Light sky blue color saree. Saree number 6, light sky blue color saree with onion pink color border part. With gold color border. Light sky blue color saree. Excellent color combination andi. This is the pallu part, thick pink color pallu part, plain border, plain blouse with the border part, and this is the pallu part. Pink color pallu part, pink color blouse, overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Saree number 6, and the price 1299 rupees only. And next, thick reddish color saree. Saree number 7, red color saree. Overall saree look. Gold color border part. Saree number 7 with navy blue color pallu part. And the price 1299 rupees only. Navy blue color pallu part, and the blouse also navy blue color. Plain navy blue color blouse with the border part. Navy blue color plain blouse, navy blue color pallu part. Saree number 7. Take a screenshot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take a screenshot. Uppada Pattu sarees. Saree number 8. Yellow color saree with green color, parrot green color border part. Overall saree look. This is the plain blue color blouse, and this is the pallu part, blue color pallu part, and this is the blouse. This is the overall saree look. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take a screenshot. Saree number 8. Saree number 9. Overall saree look. Overall saree look. Overall saree look. This is the pallu part, green color pallu part and green color blouse, plain blouse. This is the pallu part. Saree number 9. Overall saree look. Overall saree look. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. And saree number 10. Saree number 10. Overall saree look. Pink color saree, thick pink color saree with border part. Border part. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part, and this is the blouse. Plain royal blue color blouse. This is the pallu part. Overall saree look. Thick pink color saree. Overall saree look. Saree number 10. Take a screenshot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. My WhatsApp number 9949248334. కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అనేది కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ వీడియో.